Condition Pacers lined up for tonight's 8th race, field of 9. The Ron Gates. And they're off, looking for love. Fires up on the outside with their flight. Those two left together as Buckshot Express is out quickly from along the inside with Already Spent looking to tuck in there. Alluring Art looking for good early position. The battle continues around that opening turn in an hour of flight. And Nicehonger a sweep to the lead. Looking for love. And speaking of that, we've got a wedding party down in the clubhouse tonight. Looking for love right back in second past the quarter, 28-1. Buckshot Express races about 4 lengths off the lead from third. Already Spent is fourth. Alluring Art came away racing in fifth in front of Pep Step and Penelope. JT's first, follows in seventh. BG is eighth, and Royal Ideal, the even money favorite, is the trailer, but now comes underway to the outside as they race towards the half, and it's Air Flight who continues on top here at 5-2. Buckshot Express and Kim Pluto with an early challenge up on the outside. Those two stride for stride past the half, 57-2, 29-1 for that second quarter. Looking for love in beyond the top pair. A third, Already Spent, continues on fourth. Alluring Art moves to the outside fifth with Pep Step and Penelope. Royal Ideal has moved into seventh, but still has 6 lengths to make up as they race around that far turn. Air Flight and Buckshot Express. The battle continues back around the far turn with Looking for Love. Locked in the box third. Alluring Art now moves up 3 wide with the Pep Step and Penelope. Royal Ideal, it's absolutely wide open. Past 3 quarters, 126-3. Air Flight still there from along the inside is Looking for Love. Is that off the pylons? Pep Step and Penelope is out of the center. Royal Ideal is now charging up on the far outside. They drive for the finish. It's Royal Ideal and BG following that move. Royal Ideal has taken over control as they come down to the finish. It's Royal Ideal who takes it. BG was up in time for second. It was very tight for third. Either Looking for Love or Air Flight. 155.